All right, welcome back everybody. And here on the side of the road, this is back in Raven County, and some of my original subscribers would know this one as one of the earlier waterfalls I did. This is Haven Creek Falls, or His and Her Falls, depending on how you look online on all trails. It's Haven, but it has several names. So it's about 7 o'clock. I had some time off, had some things I had to do today, and just ended up with the evening free. So I figured, why not come back to this waterfall, send up a drone, and I've been doing that a lot lately. Some of the waterfalls I've been to in the beginning, I've been going back to since I have a really good drone now, and just trying to get some new angles, new shots, that sort of thing. So that's what I'm going to do today. All right, so if you've been with the channel for a while, you'll know this is Haven Falls. And if you're new to the channel, then this is Haven Falls. And there's a trail that runs back here behind them. It looks like a lot's been blown down since we were here last, so let's go ahead and crawl down through all this and let's see what's behind the waterfall. Tell you what, it's good to be back. I remember now how much cooler it is on the backside of the waterfall. Very nice little spot. And like I said, I'm gonna get a good drone shot out of this. Nice little open valley right there. So I'm gonna back up in here, get some shots. I will be right back. All right, so this was a quick hike and a brief visit. Looks like the storm passed us by, even though I could hear thunder in the distance. But this is Haven Falls, or as you can see, His and Hers Falls, because it's two different waterfalls. Was only able to do so much with the drone, considering how much vegetation there is. I couldn't really get too high up, but I still think I got a few good shots. And this flow looks better than the first time I came. We were kind of definitely in a drought the first time, so this looks better, sounds better. All in all, it's just a good spot for the evening. So I'm gonna call it a day from right here. Kind of show off the little grotto back here, back behind the waterfall. I'm gonna head out. I don't know if I'll run down to Minnehaha real quick. I should have enough daylight, so I might do it. Because I've never taken a drone there either. And I'm right here, so might as well. But I'm gonna call it for this waterfall. Thank you everybody for coming back again. Thank you for the new subscribers. So we this morning hit our 550th subscriber. So still growing, slow but steady. That works for me. So a big thank you to everybody, and I will see you at the next falls.